Hi guys, today we're going to be going around the Model development in Como. I'm going to be giving you a digital view of what's going to be happening in that property, give you a feel for it. At the moment we're heading towards the fourth highest level, so we'll be topping out in June on this development. There's only 18 apartments in this development, so it's a real boutique development with only 6 apartments left. Okay, so not many left now, ranging in price from 789,000 up to just over 1.8 million. Now, all of the apartments except for one range from 789 to mid 800,000s. So that's the price point: 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and a car bay. The 1.8 is a 4-bedroom one, so if you're looking for something much larger, then that might suit you. So today, the development is moving along. They're actually, I believe, moving a little bit ahead of time, but we're expecting it to be completed in March next year, so March 2025. And it's as I mentioned before, a boutique development with very little amenity, so you're not paying high strata fees for gyms and things that you don't necessarily use, but you have to pay for. It's got a wonderful rooftop entertainment area, barbecue area, and you're looking out towards the west and the north, and that's exactly where the orientation for this development is. So there is some apartments, or I think one apartment left, facing to the west, and the rest are facing to the I guess you could say the premium direction through towards the north, looking towards the city. So this development is developed and built by SKS Group. They're also responsible for doing some of the Hilton hotels. And of course, if you once you've seen this, the video that I'm about to play, you'll see why this is such a great development. It's out of all the ones that we've got, I believe this is my favourite. It's a really cute development. There's not too many in there. It's on the east side of Canning Bridge, where you get a smaller development as opposed to the other side if you've been driving along the freeway and you've seen the western side of Canning Bridge, where there's much larger developments going on over that side. So plenty of activity going to be happening around the Canning Bridge with the train station there. They're doing some more development on the waterfront there, some small scale entertainment and retail and some other things around the train station there. So plenty coming, plenty happening in the area, and let's go and take a look and see what this development is offering. So guys, that's the Model Residences in Como. I hope you like that mini tour. If you have any further interest, I've got my details below the video here, and I'll also just put them up here, and you can contact me. So one thing that I should say before I go is that the Perth brand new apartment market is under siege at the moment in terms of price rises. Construction costs have blown out hugely, and last year, 2023, about 70% of developments didn't go ahead. So what we're seeing now in the market, and this is an opportunity for anyone looking for brand new apartments, is a development like this that's well underway is really priced at yesterday's pricing. These kind of prices will not return, because anything that starts from inception now with the new price guides is going to be much more expensive. And I just was looking at an article yesterday that was suggesting somewhere around 25% undervalued. So anything that's coming through from inception from now coming through the market is going to be way more expensive once it hits the market in 3 or 4 years' time. Plus, of course, we're in the growth cycle of our market, so that means that over the next 3 or 4 years, we're going to be getting more and more growth. You can lock in one of these apartments if you want by putting a 5% deposit down. Okay, so you can lock the price in, and you can be assured that this won't change until you get to settlement. And with the way the market's going, you'll likely have some equity within the property by the time you settle on it in March next year. Okay, once again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.